Meanwhile, I am making some settings in the chat box. Yeah.
Evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Who has joined? Very good. Gautam Krishna.
Ma'am, last year, ma'am.
Lasya. But
I'm
I
sorry,
can
ma'am.
see kids. Let me tell you one thing. I can see only 3 kids and there are 8 kids in the class. That means what about other kids? All videos off?
Ma'am, I'm so sorry, ma'am. My system, I don't know, it was so slow, ma'am. The Wi-Fi is not working so well. The
Okay.
system suddenly was very slow, ma'am.
No problem. No problem. No problem. Lasya, do the question. Find the square root using prime factorization.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, try faster. Once we will learn all the methods of square root, then we are going to do some word problems also, okay?
Ma'am, is my answer correct?
Yes. So till now I got 4 answers. Nayanika, Gagna, Charan, and the first one was Gautam Krishna. What about other kids? Quickly send your answer.
Ma'am, and I had a doubt. Was there any negative marking in the exam, the subjective
No,
exam?
no, 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 no. So let's do its prime factorization. By which number we are going to divide it first? 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16. Now, next is 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8. Okay. Now, next 2 2s are, 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4. Again, 2 1s are 2, 2
9s are 18.
9s are 18, 2 6s are 12. And still we can divide by 2. So here we are going to do 2 8s are, 2 9s are 18,
Good evening,
2 8s are 16. Good evening, good evening. Then 2 4s are 8 and 2 9s are 18. Now you cannot divide 49 by 2. You cannot divide it by 3. You cannot divide it by 4, 5, 6. You will be dividing it by 7.
Ma'am, I have sent, ma'am. I have sent, ma'am. Is it
Yeah,
correct?
yes. I am checking. So let's see how
Ma'am, somebody's
we
mic
are
is
Actually,
on.
getting.
I have to.
Unmute yourself, kids. From
Ma'am,
this 1 2, from this one number, then from this also this pair one number, and then 1 7. What's the answer? 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 7s are. That's your answer. Is it clear, kids?
Ma'am. Ma'am, there's a
Okay.
lot of noise coming.
Ma'am, someone's mic is on.
Everyone, let me check. Gautam Krishna, muted. Now it's not coming, right? Okay. Shall we move ahead now? All right. So I am going to give you next question. Okay. Before that, let me check the chat box. Lasya, what is the way to write the answer? 7 to the power 8. Is it the correct answer?
Huh?
7 to the power 8. I am asking you square root. And you are writing 7 to the power 8. Is it right way to write your answer? Because after doing prime factorization from every pair, you will be taking one number. That's it. Okay. Now, giving you next question. All right. Till now, I have given you some easy questions. Do you agree or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What if you have a little difficult question? How you are going to find your answer?
Yes,
Let's
ma'am.
say if I give you, yes, if I give you a bigger number, 2125, right? 764. Can you do this question using prime factorization? Tell me, kids, is it possible to do this question using prime factorization?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay, try. Those who are saying yes, ma'am, please try.
Ma'am, it would take a long time, ma'am. That's all.
Exactly.
It's a time taking time taking the question.
Okay. Now, so what is the other method? Okay, before that, I am teaching you one method. Before starting long division, I am going to teach you one method, but that is applicable only for perfect squares. Okay. So you know, for that we should know what is 1 square? 1. 2 square? 2.
4,
4, sorry. 3 square? 9.
9,
4 square? 16. 5 square? 25. 6 square? 36.
36,
7 square? 39.
49,
8 square?
56,
64.
64,
9 square? 81.
81.
Let's take the question 529. Okay, you need to find the square root of this. Starting from the right side.
23, ma'am.
Yeah, starting from the right side, you will make pair of two digits. Okay, like in the first pair, starting from the right side, in the first pair, there should be who is not muted. Okay, starting from the right side, we have to make pair with 2 digits. Okay, after one pair, you will put a slash. Now, see, if you take a square, on which number you are finding 9. If you take a square of 3, a square of 3 is ending with 9 and a
Yes,
square
ma'am.
of 7 ending with 9. So you have two options as your answer. You will, here I am making you clear one thing. You will check this square, but in your answer, you will write this original number of which you are checking the square. Like 3 square 9. So you will take 3 as your answer. 7 square 9, you will take 7 as your answer. So you got two possibilities. Now, between between which two number you get 5? You get 5 between the square of 1 and between the square of 2. Do you get 5? Do you get 5 between this 1 and 4? No. So you will not be taking this 1. Okay. So what is the next? 3 square.
Yes, ma'am.
So 3 square 9. So between who is not, I will permanently mute you kids, mute yourself. Okay. Now if you see between 4 and 9, you get somewhere 5, right? So you will check both the numbers between which you are getting, between which, between which two numbers you are getting 5, but between the square of those two numbers. For answer, you will be taking your original number, like of which you are taking a square. So you got two possibility, 23 and 27. Now, how to check correct answer? How to check correct answer? See, you know every number ending with 5. You can quickly 525 square, which is 625. 5 5s are 25, 2 3s are 6. Well, I will clear, but between the don't disturb me. first let me speak, then I will clear your doubts. Now, 529 is smaller than 625 or greater than? It is smaller. So smaller number will be your answer. Now, who was saying, ma'am, please tell me. I will clear all the doubts.
Ma'am, will you please repeat?
We are going to take one more question. Anything else?
Ma'am, can you just explain it again? Your voice is breaking.
My voice is not breaking. Whenever I'm speaking, explaining, please keep yourself on mute, everyone. I am explaining it
No,
again.
ma'am, I have internet problems, so
Oh,
my
then
voice,
fine.
your voice is breaking.
I am explaining it again. Have you kids written it? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Let's take 1024. Okay, starting from right side, I will make pairs with 2 digits. After one pair, I will keep one slash. Now, first, if you take a square of numbers ending in which square you find 4? In which square you are finding 4? Can you kids tell me?
8, ma'am.
8 square.
2 square and 8 square. So these are your 2 possible answer. Now, will you be taking 4 and 64 or you will be taking 2 and 8? Tell me. 2 and 8. Because if you take a square of 2, square of 8, in answer you are getting 4 at unit place. That's the reason you will be taking 2 and 8 as your possible answers. Now, what's your second pair? 10. Okay. 10 comes between which 2 squares?
Between the square of
3 and
3 and
3 and 4. Square of 3 is 9, square of 4 is 16. So between 9 and 6, you find 10. So you will be taking, see, 3 and 4. Between 3 square, 4 square, you are getting 10. You will select always and always lower number. That is 3. Now you got 2 possible answers. Which one is correct? To decide, let's take 35 square. 5 5s are 25. 3 4s are 12. This I have already taught you. Am I right, kids, or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Now compare your original number with this answer. Is it smaller or greater?
Greater, ma'am.
1024. Greater or smaller?
Smaller, ma'am.
Smaller.
Ma'am,
So
I was telling that 1225 is greater.
No, I
That's not
told you,
possible.
I mentioned clearly, check your original number with this 1225. If it is smaller, if your question is smaller than this ending with 5 square, your answer is smaller. If your question is greater than this ending with 5 square, you will choose greater answer. So here your answer is 32. Did you kids understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I give you more question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. Wait, I'm giving you. Do this one.
18, ma'am.
Write your answer in chat box kindly. I got only 2 answers. Try sending it a little faster. Okay. Yeah, perfect. So the answer is 18, right? Okay. Shall I give you next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, then do this one. Got one answer. Got 4 answers. Gagana, why your answer is wrong? Tell me. Those who have done, next question. Yes. For this, 84 is the correct answer. Kids, are you sure you got correct answer? Everyone is saying 84, 84. Let's discuss this question. See, you will, after leaving 2 digit, at the 6, okay, fine. Correct.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
did you correct the Sunday papers?
no, not now. Will give you. Very good, Nayanika, Gautam Krishna, correct answer.
Ma'am, wait and check our marks.
Will send in group. Okay. Quickly send your answer. Great. Correct answer.
Ma'am, once can you explain me this question 7921?
Okay. So you will make pair of 2 digit. After one pair, you will put a slash. Now, what are the numbers where you are getting 1? Of which number, if you take a square, as an answer you get 1. 1 is square and 9 is square. So you have got 1 and 9, 2 possibilities. After that, 79. If you, between which 2 squares you will find 79?
3 and 7.
8 and 9.
Ma'am,
8
8 and
is
9.
square, 9 square. This is 64. This is 81. Between 64 and 81, you will find 79. So you will be taking 8 as your answer. 81, 89. Now you got two answers. Which one is correct? To check that, what is the number ending with 5 between 81 and 89? It is 85. 85 square is 7225.
7225.
Now this number, your question is greater than this 7225. So this 89 is the correct one. Understood?
Ma'am, what if there are more than two sets of numbers?
I'm giving you question, don't worry.
Ma'am, how 8 came?
Who is asking this? How 8 came?
I understood. The 8.
Who asked 8? How 8 came? Kids. 8 square 64. 9 square 81. Your 79 will lie between 64 and 89. So we always take smaller number. Okay.
Ma'am, how we got that 1 and 9?
What?
How we got that 1 and 9?
199? Where is 199?
No, ma'am, 1 and 9.
1 and 9. So your 21 is ending with 1. So there will be a possibility that in two answers you will be getting 1 as the answer. If you take 1 square, 1. If you take 9 square, in answer you are getting 81. So 1 and 9, these are your unit place of your answer.
Okay, ma'am, understood.
Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, it's taking time for me to multiply the numbers, ma'am.
Which number you are taking time? Where are you taking time? Who is saying that?
Ma'am, 85 square we have to multiply. No, ma'am, how should I do that?
Karthik, have you taken all the classes? How many classes you have missed?
Ma'am,
5 square, 25. You need to multiply this 8 by 9. 8 9s are 72. We have learned squares with different methods.
ma'am, why should we multiply it with 9, ma'am?
This is the method to find a square of ending number with 5. That is the reason. I keep saying, please don't miss your class. This is a square ending with 5, Karthik.
Okay.
Can you please tell me how many classes you have missed?
Ma'am, my father, he paid the money now, ma'am. So they banned me for 4 to 5 days.
So you go with the recording of your previous session, okay?
Okay.
All right. Now, you all are asking about the bigger number, right? Okay, now. So, I'm giving you one question. You need to go through all the recordings, Karthik, okay? Again, first pair should have 2 digits. Now, you can take remaining 3 digits together. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Follow same thing. Now I am feeling like in the tomorrow only, okay, on Thursday only we can start long division method. I did not get answer this time. Any answer?
Ma'am, this 153 number is between the square of 14 and 13.
You check. You should know square at least till 20, okay? All right. After that, you just do this question, then I will be teaching you something interesting today, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, very good,
Ma'am, I
Gagna.
sent you answer.
So, First you need to
Ma'am,
find.
it is 1, 2, 4. Like
Exactly. 76. Unit place is 6. In which answer you are getting 6 in unit place? 4 and 6. Two possibilities. Now 153. 12 square is 144. 13 square is 169. 153 is coming between 144 and 169. So you will be selecting lower number. Now 125 is square. 5 5s are 25. Now 12 you need to multiply by 13. So 12 3s are 36. 12 ones are 15625. So this number is smaller. So 125 is your answer. Okay, kids. Now, how many of you are able to add your numbers faster? And how do you add your numbers? Yes, Gautam.
Normal method.
Gautam Krishna.
Ma'am,
What?
regular way.
Okay. Today I am going to teach you one way of addition, right? Now,
Yes.
see. Do you all know expanded form? Let's say
Yes,
I give you
ma'am.
36 plus 25.
Yes, ma'am.
So do you all know expanded form? What is the expanded form of
Yes.
36?
30
30 plus 6.
30
Ma'am,
30 plus
20 plus 5. Now, you are going to add in such a way. First, you add 30 plus 20. What is 30 plus 20?
50, ma'am.
50. Now, what is 50 plus 6?
56.
56. ma'am.
What is 56 plus 5?
61.
161.
And you got your answer. So, what is the direction? See, you have to add from left to right. Okay, in which direction you have to add? Left to right.
Ma'am, we
You
learned this
from
Vedic math.
Ma'am, we
upward
learned
to,
this in Vedic maths, ma'am.
yeah, wonderful. So, have you learned this in the same way you have learned?
No, ma'am.
No,
Then,
ma'am, but we learned it in a faster, easier way.
Ma'am, like sir told, like the before one it is we need to add one more. We need to decrease in the left side one more number. Like we need to
that
decrease
is
one
base
number.
method addition. That is base method addition, right?
Yes.
Thing you have learned, that is base method addition. It is related to expanded form. Okay. Why I am telling you, see, in which direction you add your number, in which direction you read your numbers. From left
The
to
left side.
right. Okay. And that's why you will be adding your number. You will add left side first and then right side. So this is the direction. Go down, add. Go up, add. Go down, add. Okay. Now, what if I give you more than 2 rows? Let's say 43, 24, 26. Now, this time I will not write expanded form. You read your number according to their place value. What is the place value of 4?
40.
40 plus 20.
Um,
Ma'am,
60.
60.
40 plus 20? 60.
60.
60 plus 20.
80.
80.
80. 80 plus 3.
83.
83 plus 4.
87.
87.
87 plus 6.
93.
30.
93.
97.
93.
Seven.
3. 87 plus 6, 93. Now, did you see? You were moving with the flow and you just found your answer. Did you realize that there is a carryover?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Where? Who realized
No,
about
ma'am.
the
No, ma'am.
carryover? You didn't even realize that if you do it from your normal maths, there is a question, there is a carryover, right?
Ma'am.
Okay, in this way, you are simply moving with the flow. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
you don't even need to write the expanded form. Okay?
Ma'am, can you give me the question?
Ma'am, you can like you're giving the question.
Yeah. Just read your question according to the place value and you will be able to do it. Okay? Now,
Okay, ma'am.
do it.
7, 10, 3.
Ma'am, 110.
Good. Who has given this answer?
Ma'am, 110, ma'am.
Ma'am, me, ma'am.
Perfect answer.
110.
Ma'am,
Great.
can you explain it again once, ma'am?
Okay. Nainika, see. 50.
What, ma'am?
50 plus 20.
50 plus 20, 70. 70 plus
70 plus
30.
30, 100. 100 plus 3.
100 plus 3, 103. Yeah, I understand it now, ma'am.
106 and 100 and 109 and 110. Okay. Ready for the next?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Do it.
Ma'am, 124.
Ma'am,
Sure.
144.
80, 20.
Ma'am, 140.
100. 100 plus 30. 130.
144.
And it's not like you are just adding. See, it's not like you have to add. Now you know out of one's place this 7 is greater. So first you can add this 7. 100, 130, 137. Then you add this because you know it will make a complete 10. If you are learning Vedic maths, I think you know complements.
Ma'am, sir,
1
I
9.
just thought this like that.
1 9 makes 10. 2 8 makes 10. 3 7 10. 4 6 10. 5 5 10. Have you learned these complements?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
sir, I didn't thought
Yeah.
this, ma'am.
But last year other kids are saying yes, so I will go with yes. So 140 and 144. Okay, kids. So did you like this method of addition?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Nayanika, what
Yes,
happened?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I
Okay,
can understand.
I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of 8, 5. Where are other 3 kids? And who left the meeting? All right.
The internet is
Now,
not
kids,
so well.
what
Ma'am,
we have learned
once
today?
Ma'am, once someone left meeting, ma'am, it was
Yeah.
actually 10.
What we have learned today?
Ma'am, easy
Ma'am,
method
prime
is addition
factorization
and
and techniques for addition.
I told you 3 methods of square root.
Repeated
Repeated subtraction, prime factorization and long division. But I gave you one extra which is estimation, but that is applicable only for perfect square. Okay. Now if you have any number, perfect, imperfect, we are going to learn that also. But
Yes,
on Thursday. So that's it for today, kids. Let's meet
Yes,
on
ma'am.
Thursday. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Thank
did
you.
you set the marks in the
We'll upload.